So next greedy algorithm is Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, Dijkstra's algorithm. So I remember when I was in first year, I guess. So in mathematics we had this Dijkstra's algorithm. So there it was, I understood, but we had to do this huge table. See, in semesters we have to do all these things. Okay, so but here I will tell you, you don't have to do all these tables. Okay, you can just draw the graph and get the answer. Okay, so it's nothing much. So drawing the table is okay, but see, you in GATE you will not get so much time to do all these things. See, if you are efficient enough you will get, but let's be practical and do the ways which are not time consuming. So Dijkstra's algorithm, this is basically single source shortest path. Okay, from a particular source, all the other nodes will be, what will be the shortest path it will denote. Okay, so now this is our graph. So for now, relaxing an edge, let's say V and U, this relaxing, we will do the algorithm also, but now let's say if distance of U is greater than distance of V plus cost of V plus U, then du it will come down to as dv plus cost of v plus u, cost of v to u. Okay, so this we will see in algorithm mostly, but here you can understand that the distance u, if it is greater than the distance of v, the initial vertex, plus the cost of v and u, so this will be changing to distance of v plus cost of v to u. Okay, so now let's see the graph here. So let's say this A is our source. Okay, so let's say A is our source, we are starting with this. So first point is that let this distance from A to A source is 0 and all others are infinity. First point is take that all others are infinity, we cannot reach this by the distance is infinity from the source A to all other vertices are infinity. So now next step is, from the source let's take the each, like here from A to B the source is, no, don't have to say here the 5, like the, don't think like Prim's and Kruskal. Okay, so here we just see this, here from A to B it is now changing to 10. Okay, so now this this link is taken, this edge is taken, and it is taking 10. So now from now we are like decreasing. Okay, relaxing the edge, we are decreasing from infinity to, we are relaxing to 10. Okay, so now infinity was greater than, obviously greater than 10, so we are relaxing the edge. Similarly here from A to C there is a path 5, 5 is less than C, so 5 is now taken. So now A was done, so next is B and C. See, B value is 10, from 10 you can go to A, so and C's value is 5, sorry, so C is the lowest one, so we take C. So now from C we again do this relaxing of edges. So from C let's see what are the outgoing path. So from C this 2 is there, so infinity is changed, sorry not 2, so 5 plus 2 is 7, so it is changed to 7. From here to here it can be when go to 5, the weight is 5, from 5 plus 2 it is coming as 7. So another outgoing edges is 9, 5 plus 9 is 14, so which is less than infinity obviously. And now 5 plus 3, so here 5 is there and outgoing edge is 3, so 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 is less than 10, so replaced with 8. Okay, so this is basically relaxing the edge. So this distance was greater than this 10 was greater, so now we are doing what, so this was our 5. Okay, so and now cost of this 2 is 3, so we are changing 5 plus 3 is 8, so this was actually 10 and now we are changing from 5 plus 3. That's why I tell you to when we do examples it will clear it out more. So basically this is doing this same. So 5 is done, so next lowest is 7. Okay, 8, 14, 7, 7 is our next lowest, so we are taking 7. From 7 let's say what are the outgoing edges, 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so it is 13, so 13 is less than 14, so we are taking this path. Okay, so this is taken, so any outgoing edges is present, no, just this outgoing edge is present. so leave it. So 7 is done. So among 8 and 13, 8 is lesser, so 8 is taken. So 8 is lesser, so now 8, the outgoing edges from 8 is this 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 is less than 13, so 9 is taken. So this is another edge, outgoing edge is there, 8 plus 2, which is going down to 10, so 5 is not 5 is greater, it's lesser than 10, so don't do anything, just leave it. So this is our path. Okay, so finally 9 is our path. So let me check if it is correct or not. Where it is? Yes, it is correct. So you can see this is our correct way. So from A you can reach B by weight 8 via this. So this is Dijkstra's algorithm. Now we are seeing relaxing of edge and everything. See, we will do more examples while doing PYQs. So just for now, see how easily we can do without this huge table. See, in semesters you have to do the table no other way, but in GATE you can see we are mainly focusing on GATE only. So here we can use this smaller way and we can get the answer. So that's it. We are now we will move on to algorithm. So now let's see the algorithm here. Okay, so now I have written it down. So if you want, you can take a note of it. So now Dijkstra GWS. So G is graph here, and W is weight matrix. S is set of all vertices whose shortest path have been decided already. Okay, so nothing here. So now initialize single source source G and S. So now give the value to every node. So like we are giving the value to every node using this. So this will take order of V. Okay, so another color is there. Let me get another color. This will take order of V. Okay, so now so the first S is null. Okay, we are starting with null only, means the source is 0. We have done the algorithm, like the example. So now Q equals to G dot V, build a heap. So we are building the heap. So building a heap will take order of V. We have seen this so many times. So now while Q is not 0, so when the source is not 0, we extract mean. We are extracting the minimum element, and now S equals to S union U. So now again for each vertex V which is adjacent to G U, relax this. So now see, extract mean and all this will take, extract mean takes what? Log of V. So for V times it will take V log V. Okay, so V log V here. So now let's say this thing, relax UVW. Okay, so relax key is going to call decrease key, and the decrease key in worst case will decrease all the outgoing edges. So E times E log V is taken, so it is E log V basically. Okay, so this is about time complexity. Let's take the see the algorithm again. Let's see the algorithm again. So now Dijkstra GWS initialize single source GNS. Okay, so we are initializing single source. So the source will always start with 0 only. So now we are going to build a heap. So here heap takes order of V times. So now while Q is not null. Okay, so when the Q is not null, we are going again to check the minimum. So if you remember, we are taking the minimum element and we are extracting that, and we are adding that to our source. So we are adding to our source only. So now for each vertex which is adjacent to U, or we are doing this again like an recursive way. We are doing this. So if you remember that source was 0 initially, then so we added something with it. So now like this we added with our previous source was 0. So when source is not 0, we have moved and we are adding that. So like this. So relax UVW means relax key is going to call decrease key. See, this is decrease key, and decrease key in worst case will take decrease all the outgoing edges, and E times log V is applied. So this is E log V. So our time complexity is coming down to as order of V plus V. Here V is there, here V is there, and here V log v is there plus e log v. Okay, so we take the worst and we take it as e log v. So in many questions in test series, I think I have seen this v log v and e log v are also there. So remember this. Okay, so remember this means like check the algorithm once or twice, practice it, and this is your time complexity. So time complexity is e log v, basically this or this. Okay, so we have taken the worst case, but in some cases in a question this v log v or e log v are taken together. Okay, so another important thing is that Dijkstra algorithm doesn't work on negative weight cycle. Okay, so here we have seen there are some cycles present, but if it is negative weight cycle, it will not work. We will give like it will go on something loop, I think. Yes, it will go on and on, so it will not work. Negative weight will work, it will work. So there is a GATE example only. GATE, there once 2008 GATE question came where there was negative weight given but not cycle actually. So we will do all the questions also. For now just one question and just the example, we will do more in PYQ section. Okay, so if you love watching my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will boost my confidence, like even if no one is watching now, someday some people will watch, so hoping for that. So bye and see you in next video.